Today, I used to have a Polaroid camera, so I just follow the ritual. Shake, shake. This used to be the best part of it, but this time you don't have to do it anymore. Shake, shake. Hi guys, this is Amber. Thanks for checking out this video. On this channel, I'm gonna review some different products and then give you real examples. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and then subscribe with notification. That will really help. This tiny cute thing can capture pictures and videos, both saving the SD card. And you have some colors to choose. You can choose pink and you can choose yellow and red, or you can choose blue one. And very cute one. And we have some markers and stickers to make fun. Okay, let's hope my strap and looks like a real photographer. You know what got this camera so interesting? This camera used thermal paper in here. And they use heat to print black and white papers instantly, just like this. No need for ink cartridge, and the thermal paper is the same paper with your shopping receipt. And you just need to tear like this. So easy. Okay, let's insert the SD card in the slot. And there's also a charger port, but you can also use this to transfer the picture on your PC. As you can see, there shows shell, so it's waterproof and dustproof. So let's get this thing out. First, you need to take the film off the lens before you use. And it got a nice soft touch feeling. And there's a capture button. Hold this button to capture the picture you want, just like this. Okay, and here's the on and off power button, and here is record button. You can record. When you see there's a red record on here, so you can begin your recording. See? Okay. And let's try delete a picture. Then press the here. You can choose a picture and print button on here, and you can select the delete. Successful operation. Okay, let's try to print them. Print on here and see. That's that quick. Okay,